In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Narrative Clipboard on Windows 10. Clipboard is a tool that allows you to copy text and even pictures. But in order to allow the copy to happen, you'll need to turn on the settings. In the search bar down below, search for Clipboard and head over to Clipboard settings. Enable your clipboard history or the clipboard to copy or the clipboard to save your files. You can turn on this option. After this option has been turned on, you can now copy any text or pictures that you want. As you can see, I have a few text here. If I copy this and also copy this, now I have copied both the files separately, but if I hit paste, only the second copy will be pasted. But if you want to paste the first copy here, what you can do is you can press the Windows key on your keyboard and then press V. What this will do is it will show all the clipboard history, which you can see it is showing. If you have a lot of text that you want to copy and paste, this is a very useful tool. You can select the text that you want to copy and the text will be copied and you can easily paste it in. You can also change the text like that. Other than text, Clipboard is also useful while taking a screenshot. If you take a screenshot, you can also paste it in. And same like the text, you can view the history by pressing the Windows and V. It will show you all the text and the pictures that are saved to Clipboard. So that was the process of how you can use Narrative Clipboard in Windows 10. I really hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, hit subscribe to this channel and I'll be back with some more interesting videos.